All right, so I finally got these in hand, and I wanted to give you guys my thoughts on the Thunder Electric Pumas. What is going on, guys? Hess here, collectivekicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, including these Puma joints right here, check the link in the description. Today I'm going to give you guys my overview and general thoughts on the new Puma joints right here. I thought these were called the Spectra Thunders or Thunder Spectras, but from the box it actually says that these are called the Thunder Electrics. I don't know necessarily the difference between the Thunder Spectra and the Thunder Electric. I noticed that there's a couple different colorways of the Thunder Electric. Then the Thunder Spectra was the original colorway, but honestly it's a little bit confusing to me. If you guys know, feel free to clarify in the comment section. Regardless, this is the shoe that I wanted to get. As soon as I saw the first images of this colorway, I knew that this one had to be mine. The hits of orange, the grays, the black, it just was like a perfect color combination. They really had a nice color blocking on this shoe. And in hand, I'm as impressed, if not maybe a little bit more impressed, because the quality of the shoe is actually really nice. It's a significant shoe in hand. These are no joke, super heavy. These probably weigh a pound each. This is like a super heavy duty rubber. It lets me know that this shoe is no joke. It's not a cheaply made shoe. It's a well-made pair of sneakers. And the price point is only $120. So for 120 bucks, you get a pretty substantial pair of sneakers. But there's a lot of things that I really like what they have going on. Obviously, there's that chunky and funky dad shoe vibe to these shoes, which is a plus in 2018 right now. It's definitely what is in. But also I like, again, just the overall colors and the way they chose the different patterns and different textures and the different materials for each of the different layers. I think was a really smart move. Like the Yeezy 500s need to take note of these shoes, maybe make some adjustments on their own. They have everything all one uniform color, and it doesn't work for me time and time again. Sometimes it's nice to have a uniform colored pair of sneakers. Other times you need to mix it up, and I think this is a perfect example of when you do mix it up, the color combinations and patterns just matching perfectly. So starting off with the upper, you actually get a really nice leather that surrounds the toe cap, and then you can see there's a white mesh around the shoe for some breathability. You have some reinforcements down here with black leather, and then the Puma logo here is in black leather, but this leather is actually different than the nice leather on the toe box. As you work your way around the back, this is actually a rubberized material. It looks like it's a leather, but this is a different type of material. And then you have two different types of gray materials on the shoe as well. A black pull tab with a white Puma branding. The lace reinforcement right here is probably one of the coolest features. It kind of has a metallic anodized sort of feel to it, and it adds a little bit of pop to the shoe. I really think this looks really cool in hand. As for the tongue, you can see the laces up the shoe, kind of like an Air Max 95. And then you have white and orange rope laces, mesh tongue. Then you have leather at the top, along with an orange leather Puma logo. Simple branding on the insole, just Puma. You also get some extra heel cushion in the back section here, which adds to the look of the shoe, but it's also functional. The midsole is where things get really crazy. You have a hard type of plastic with the orange hits here. And then you have a smooth black material as well as a speckled black midsole. And it has all sorts of wavy lines on the midsole. Definitely has a Yeezy 700 type vibe to the overall structure. And then it finishes everything off with a really heavy duty dark brown sole. Super, super heavy, super nice quality, and very, very significant on feet. These shoes to me show that Puma is in an innovative state of mind. They're bringing really trendy shoes forward for a really reasonable price, and they're executing it really, really well. I, for one, am really impressed with what Puma's been doing, and I have a lot more pairs of sneakers on my radar because of what they're bringing to the table in 2018 thus far. The only complaint that I have is definitely the branding of the shoes. Thunder Electric, Thunder Spectra. I'm not really sure what to call them, but at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. I really like what they delivered, and this to me feels like a collab, but it's not a collab. It's just a baseline model from Puma that they released. So great job to the Puma team that actually did the color blocking again on these. I think you guys did a really, really good job. Anyways, leave some comments. Let me know what you guys think about the new Pumas. And if you've seen any other models from Puma that you guys are really feeling, leave a comment and let me know. But if you guys want to buy these, check the link in the description. I will try to link them for retail at any places that I can find them still. And yeah, hopefully you guys again enjoy this video. Subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. Notification bell if you want to be notified when I post. Like the video if you like the video. Blah, 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 all those things. But thanks again for watching. We'll catch you guys for some more sneaker videos very soon. Peace, guys.